Well, bonjour from Moulin Nauze. Bit of water wheel maintenance. Now you can see on a sunny day in the afternoon, wheels hardly going round. This pulley's moving a little bit, but this one is slipping. So, sort this out. Need to increase the friction. So, a bit of water. Hey geese. Slippy, slippy, slippy. Push the belt back on. Increases the tension. That's a bit better, maybe a bit more. Down to the water. Seems to be working. This is the bit of the belt which I previously got wet. Now here's the dry bit. Let's wait for it to come up. Much better. There. Yep, all rotating nicely. What we could try is increase the water flow a little bit, pulling out the sluice. Bear with me. And now, we've got that kind of speed. Go and look from the other side. There. Pretty good. So you can see the water's in the overflow. This is the outflow. Goes down to the rest of the river. And there you can kind of see the gearing. Bottom big shaft, up to the second, and then down to the third shaft, and then into the generator. Well, that's a normal day at Moulin Nauze. Bye.